Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you doing today? I am doing great, and guess what? I won a giveaway, and so can you. Yeah, I am starting up a program. If I win a giveaway, I am going to also have a giveaway for one of my subscribers. So stay tuned for that. The information will be toward the end of this video or somewhere about there. And I also want to say that I didn't think this idea up. I've seen it on Arlene, of Unboxing with Arlene. I've seen it with Sue, with Reviews with Sue. And then I've also seen it with Kat, Opens Up. So it's not new, but it's new to me. So I just want to clarify that. I did not invent the idea. But today I'm going to share a giveaway that I won from Wendy Jeans. And Wendy Jeans' channel is Unboxing with Wendy Jeans. And you need to go and check her out. She is a great lady. She has a lot of unboxings. She has different ones than I do. Some of ours are similar, but some are different. And of course, we pick different things if there's categories to pick. So it's not always the same thing, even if our subscriptions are alike in that way. But I just want y'all to know that she's just a great person, and if you haven't subscribed to her, I would encourage you to go over there, and if you like her content, then subscribe and support her too. This is how it came in my little box here. I'm not going to show her address. And inside here, she's got it wrapped up so nice. I want to turn it around here and show you. She's got it wrapped up in paper and then a little sticker that says hello with a bunny, and then there's 2 cards in here. So let's start off with the red one, because I have an idea this might be one that we need to open right away. And let's see what she has to say. Yes, it's a Valentine's card. Friends like you. Whoop, and it just had a bunch of little hearts fall out. Oh my goodness. I'm going to try to gather them all up, but they're all sizes. Really cute with lots of sparkles. We'll put that back in the envelope. And she always decorates the cards on the inside with some more little stickers. And she says, friends like you make Valentine's Day extra sweet. Love, Wendy Jean. I hope you have a great Valentine's Day. And I did have a great Valentine's Day, Wendy, and I hope you did too. And happy belated Valentine's to you. And this is only late because of me, okay? Wendy Jean got this here to me probably before Valentine's, but I've been so backed up I haven't been able to get to it till now. And also I had to gather up my giveaway with my winning of a giveaway. Anyways, got another card from her here. And let's see what this one has to say. It's got Wendy Jean. She's got her own personalized note cards here. That's very nice. Nice little touch. She says, Dear Jackie, congrats on winning my 300 subscriber giveaway. Thank you for always supporting my channel. It means a lot. Enjoy all your goodies. Love, Wendy Jean. And so that's the little note that she sent me. And that is so sweet. Thank you, Wendy. I enjoy your channel, and I also appreciate you supporting my channel, and that is just wonderful. We're great friends. Now we're going to pop in here and see what I won. I saw it when she posted it, you know, for her giveaway, but I don't remember everything. It looks like she sent me a little samples for Isles of Paradise. Maybe that's for tanning. Yeah, self-tanning drops. She knows I go to the beach and I get a tan, so thank you. She might have just dropped those in there because of that. And then these are some darker color foundations, which in the summertime I do get quite a bit darker. So let's just go in here. She's got everything wrapped up really nice. I want to show y'all how full this is. It is a packed box. And we have on top here, looks like some blush. It's rose powder blush in Tea Rose, and it's a Milani. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. I think it's sealed up, and it probably is, so it won't break, but let's take a look at it just from here. That is a very pretty color, and that's one that I would wear, so thank you. That's perfect. Let's see what else we got here. On top, she's got it all wrapped up so that nothing happens to it. Looks like we have a Dream So Big, and it is an eyeshadow palette, and this is secure. But I'm going to get my little scissors here and open it up because I want to see what it looks like. There we go. It says Dream So Big is the theme. And this is the outside packaging. Nice little packaging. I've not known that I've heard this brand before. But look at those colors. It does have a mirror. So I'm going to try to block that. But aren't those nice colors? They're like mauves and pinks. And then there's a little white over there. And those are colors that I like to use. So thank you. And I got a sponge jelly. And this is the Irish one. And I like it that it has a little handle on it that you can hang up in the shower. I got some Yada. And I'm not sure what Yada. This is green tea pure cleansing balm. So I'm pretty sure that's just going to be a cleansing balm. Yeah. We've got some henna, sienna. This is sugar scrub. Oh, yum. That'll be for the shower, no doubt. Oh, yeah. Isn't that nice? Wendy, this is just such a generous giveaway. I mean, I hadn't even hit halfway through yet. We have some Petty in a Box. It's deluxe step set. Looks like it's watermelon. I'm sure that will be a nice thing to have and to use because I do pedicures and manicures. Looks like I have an under eye mask with ginseng and eucalyptus. That sounds good. Nail Incorporated Thirsty Hands mask. And Wendy Jeans introduced me to hand masks and they're good. So if you've never used one, I would highly recommend that you do that. And then we have some Earth Essentials Tea Tree Wipes. They're cleaning facial towelettes. We got some NYX Cosmetic Gel Liner in this blue. That's something I would use. I do like to use colors. It shows a picture of it right there. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, I like that color. That's very pretty. I got, this is the eyeliner pencil that goes with it. Or one that, yeah, it goes with it. It's the NYX Professional Makeup. So it comes with its own liner to help you get that look that they show right there, which is excellent. All right. Very pretty. And I love that electric blue. I use that a lot in the summertime. And I have a lipstick. And this is a Spice. And it is Anastasia of Beverly Hills. And let's take a look at this color. Wendy Jeans, again, this is just so generous of you. Oh, it's a nice neutral. I like that. It's got very pretty packaging. So you can tell that it's, I guess from Beverly Hills. It has it on here too. But it's kind of embedded into the cylinder. Alright, moving right along. We got some Haba Mineral Hand Cream, which I love a Haba brand, and I use their hand creams all the time. We got some Voluptuous NYX Mascara, which I can't wait to try that. That looks fascinating. It's got nice packaging. It's pretty kind of ombre. And I'm thinking it's probably black mascara. Yeah, very nice. Then we have Flight Mode Skincare for dry skin. This is like an overnight mask. You can put it on and leave it on all night. I've got some of this and it's really good. And then we have Beauty Essential Mask. And these are organic collection of tea tree. It's got one for retinol, vitamin E, and collagen. There's 5 of them all together. And a hyaluronic acid in the center. I almost missed that one. Can really use the mask for Mask Monday. I appreciate that. Of course, you didn't know I was going to win, but I'm just telling you. And then the big prize in her giveaway is this personal microderm. Wow! Isn't that exciting? Oh my goodness, I can't believe that I won this. Wendy Jeans, this is just too nice and so generous. Oh my goodness. I haven't had microdermabrasion in years. Maybe it's a time to get started back on that, and I can do it myself now thanks to you. That is my giveaway from Wendy, and you can see how generous she is. So she has great giveaways. She's a great person, very friendly. She'll answer any questions that you might have. She's knowledgeable. She's really got some great unboxings that she does of some great products. that are different and unique, like fortune cookie, and she used to do a mask one, but I think she's got that one on hold right now. But that was what I got from Wendy Jean from her giveaway. There it is. And now we're going to get to your giveaway. I won a giveaway, so you can too. And I've got a little box here, almost full, and I may add to this, but I want to show you what's in here. There's some really nice goodies. This is Laritzi. It is an eyeshadow packet. It is the classic, and it's very pretty. It's a neutral palette, and if you are into neutrals, you're going to love this. It's got a mirror on it, so it's going to be hard. Let's get this off. Look at that. Isn't that nice? It's brown tones with the cream on the end, and there's like a little rose in a couple of them. So it's not completely, brown. There's different colors. And you could even use those for bronzers and or highlighting. And I would say those could be used dually. Our next item that we have in here for the giveaway is a mineral bath salt. And this is a Dream Away Valerian and Hops essential oils. So you can take a nice little soak. I have some Sunshine Dew. This is the Earth Harbor, and it is the cleansing oil. I have a candle. It's Canyon Moon, and that's the scent. That smells really good. It's kind of got a vanilla-y scent to it, so you ought to enjoy this. I have some Manna Kadar face toning, and this is sealed up. I'm going to leave it that way. Apparently I left it that way in case I gave it away. And then I have some milk products, okay guys? I've got 3 milk products in here. This is a lip and cheek milk, and it is like a neutral, rosy color. And this is Milk Makeup Watermelon Brightening Serum. And I'll show you what it looks like. There you go. Looks like this. And it has a matching serum that goes with it called Watermelon Brightening Face Mask Facial. So this is the serum and this is the mask. But I don't know if you're going to want this. And the reason is I spilled coffee and it got on the inside of my label. And so it's a little dirty there. If you don't want it, that's okay. But it's brand new. It has not been used. And this is the milk makeup. Now, if you win this prize and you don't want it because of the packaging, and that's the only explanation I can think of, because it's either coffee or Coke, but I drink more coffee than I do Coke. So I might have accidentally had a little boo-boo. But anyways, that is my giveaway. I'll probably add a little bit more to it, but I wanted to give you the idea of the main things. And this is the lippy and cheek, just so you can see the color. Very nice. These are full-size milk makeup. Now let's get to how you win this. I won because of her, so I am going to make that part of my rules of this giveaway. And you will have to be subscribed to both Wendy Jean and Miss Jackie Russell. It's actually unboxings with Wendy Jeans, so you'll need to be subscribed, and I'll have her link down in the channel. We have the typical usual giveaway rules. Number 1, you have to be 18 years or older. You must have an address in the continental USA. YouTube or any of the brands that Wendy sent me are in no way affiliated with this giveaway. The items that I have purchased on my own or have received from family members and or boxes that I've bought. I'll have a complete list in the description of the rules of the giveaway, and this giveaway will run today on February 19th, and it will end on March 1st. And that'll give you plenty of time to join up for this. We're going to have a secret code word. And the secret code word is going to be milk. You'll need to use that in a sentence and comments down below. I want to thank Wendy Jean again for my giveaway from winning from her. I want to congratulate Wendy. She is way over 300. She's headed toward 400, and she's sure to get some more if you guys will go over there and support her channel. I appreciate that, and I know she will too. Okay, well that's all I have today. I just want to remind you that I do have some giveaways out there. I'll have some links to those in the description. If you haven't seen them, then maybe you'll have opportunity to win a giveaway from one of these. And this is a nice little giveaway of I won a giveaway, so you can too. I do want to say that I can't be responsible if it gets lost or damaged or anything, because once it leaves my hands and in the post office hands, I don't have any control over it, and I can't replace what I'm sending you because it's probably the only ones I have. So, with that said, I am going to call it a day. I am going to wish you all, as usual, a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.